Welcome to our caravan camping adventure in Aqah Beach. Imagine waking up to this view. Just steps from your cozy caravan. We rented this beauty for the weekend. You can either pick it up yourself or have it delivered and set up for you, totally hassle-free. It's compact but has everything you need for a comfy stay. This caravan is perfect for a family of 4. It has 2 bunk beds for the little adventurers. And this dining space transforms into a master bed for a good night's sleep under the stars. It's the perfect space to eat, play, and plan the next adventure. And yes, we've got a kitchen, a sink, pantry, and a fridge to keep everything fresh and to whip up a quick meal while enjoying the sea breeze. The camper is powered by solar energy and it's fitted with an AC to keep things cool, especially during summer camping. And a fridge with a freezer to keep your drinks perfectly chilled. We've also got hot water, a shower, and a proper toilet because comfort really matters.
And the best part?
Step outside and you're right on the beach. It's the perfect mix of adventure and comfort, everything you need for an unforgettable weekend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn about more epic getaways like this. More details are in the description.